The world of firearms education is changing. New technologies are emerging, and they are revolutionizing the way we learn and teach about firearms. One of the most transformative technologies in this space is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is not just a buzzword, it is a powerful tool that can enhance the educational experience in numerous ways. AI is making it easier than ever to create high-quality educational videos. Imagine having the ability to produce professional-grade content without needing a full production team. These AI tools can assist with every step of the process, from scripting and voiceovers to animations and even editing. They can analyze your script and suggest improvements, generate realistic voiceovers, and create engaging animations that make complex topics easier to understand. The advantages of AI for content creators are significant. By automating time-consuming tasks, AI allows you to focus more on the educational content itself. This means you can spend more time researching, planning, and delivering high-quality lessons, rather than getting bogged down in the technical details of video production. Not only that, but AI can also help you create more engaging and informative videos. By analyzing viewer data, AI can provide insights into what works and what doesn't, allowing you to continually improve your content. This helps you reach a wider audience and make a greater impact. AI tools are becoming increasingly accessible, with many available for free or at a low cost. This democratization of technology means that even small content creators can compete with larger organizations. You don't need a huge budget to create high-quality educational videos anymore. This makes AI a great option for content creators of all levels. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to share your knowledge or a professional educator aiming to reach a global audience, AI tools can help you achieve your goals. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned professional, AI can help you take your videos to the next level. Beginners can benefit from the user-friendly interfaces and automated features, while experts can leverage advanced tools to fine-tune their content. So let's explore how you can harness the power of AI to create compelling educational firearms videos. From enhancing the quality of your content to making the production process more efficient, AI offers endless possibilities. The future of firearms education is here, and it's powered by AI. Before you start filming, you need to choose a topic. This is the foundation of your video and will determine how engaging and informative it will be. A well-chosen topic can captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Your topic should be interesting and engaging, something that sparks curiosity and holds the viewer's attention. Think about what excites you about firearms and what you believe will excite your audience as well. And it should also be relevant to your target audience. Understanding your audience's interests and needs is crucial. Are they beginners looking for basic information, or are they seasoned enthusiasts seeking advanced tips and techniques? The world of firearms offers a plethora of potential subjects, from the technical aspects of different firearms to the historical significance of iconic models. The possibilities are endless. Popular topics include firearm safety, where you can discuss safe storage practices, handling procedures, and basic firearm safety rules. This is a fundamental topic that appeals to both new and experienced gun owners. Shooting techniques can help viewers improve their accuracy and precision, covering aspects like grip, stance, sight alignment, and trigger control. You can also delve into advanced shooting drills and exercises to help viewers hone their skills. Firearm reviews are another engaging topic where you can provide detailed overviews of different firearms, discussing their features, pros and cons, and intended use. This can help viewers make informed decisions when purchasing a firearm. Ammunition types and selection is also a valuable subject, explaining the differences between various ammunition types and discussing their applications for self-defense, hunting, and target shooting. This can be particularly useful for those new to firearms who may be overwhelmed by the variety of options available. Concealed carry is a popular topic for responsible gun owners, covering aspects like holster selection, printing, and legal considerations. You can also discuss the importance of situational awareness and the responsibilities that come with carrying a concealed firearm. Cleaning and maintenance of firearms is another important topic, teaching viewers how to properly clean and maintain their firearms to ensure longevity and reliability. This can include step-by-step guides on disassembling and reassembling different types of firearms, as well as tips on choosing the right cleaning products and tools. Lastly, historical firearms offer a fascinating look at the evolution of firearms, discussing iconic models and their historical significance. This can appeal to history buffs and firearms enthusiasts alike, providing a deeper understanding of how firearms have shaped history. Remember to choose a topic you are passionate about, as your enthusiasm will translate into a more engaging video for your audience. Passion is contagious, and when viewers see your genuine interest and excitement, they are more likely to be drawn in and stay engaged. So, take your time, do your research, and select a topic that not only interests you, but also has the potential to captivate your audience. A well-structured video is key to keeping viewers engaged. Start with an outline to help you organize your thoughts and ensure a logical flow. Begin with a strong introduction, clearly stating the topic of your video. Capture the viewer's attention with a compelling hook. This could be a question, a startling statistic, or a captivating visual. Divide the main content into clear and concise sections. Use headings or on-screen text to guide the viewer through the information. Consider using visuals like images, diagrams, or animations to illustrate key points. Conclude your video with a summary of the key takeaways, reinforcing the most important points. Consider including a call to action, encouraging viewers to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. You can also prompt them to check out related videos on your channel. Remember, a clear structure makes your video easy to follow and understand, enhancing the learning experience for your audience. Section 4. Scripting with AI, crafting a compelling narrative. Writing a good script is crucial for any video. A script provides structure and ensures you cover all the necessary information. AI tools can help you write a clear and engaging script. Several AI-powered script writing tools are available. These tools can generate script outlines, suggest dialogue, and even write entire scenes. You input your topic and key points. The AI will create a draft script. Don't be afraid to edit and refine the AI-generated script. Make sure it matches your style and tone. Ensure the information is accurate and easy to understand. Remember, the goal is to create a script that is informative and engaging. Use clear and concise language, avoid technical jargon. A well-written script will keep your viewers hooked from beginning to end. Section 5. Bringing your script to life. AI voiceovers and animations. With a solid script in hand, it's time to bring your video to life. This is where the magic happens, transforming words on a page into a dynamic and engaging visual experience. The tools and techniques you choose will play a crucial role in how your message is received. AI can help you create professional-sounding voiceovers and engaging animations. These technologies have revolutionized the way we produce content, making high-quality production accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. AI voiceover tools have come a long way. They are no longer just robotic voices. They can now generate realistic and expressive voices that can convey a wide range of emotions and tones, making your content more relatable and impactful. They can now generate realistic and expressive voices. This means you can have a voiceover that sounds like a real person with all the nuances and inflections that make speech engaging and easy to listen to. Choose from a variety of voices. Whether you need a calm and soothing voice for a meditation video, an energetic and enthusiastic voice for a promotional video, or anything in between, there's an AI voice that fits your needs. Select the one that best suits your content and target audience. The right voice can make a significant difference in how your message is perceived and can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. You can adjust the pitch, speed, and tone of the voiceover to match your video's style. This level of customization ensures that the voiceover complements the visual elements of your video, creating a cohesive and polished final product. Animations are a great way to illustrate complex concepts and keep viewers engaged. They can simplify complicated ideas, making them easier to understand and more visually appealing. AI animation software can help you create stunning visuals without needing advanced animation skills. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to produce professional-quality animations with minimal effort. You can find tools to create two-dimensional and three-dimensional animations. Whether you're looking to create simple 2D animations or more complex 3D models, there's an AI tool that can help you achieve your vision. Use animations to demonstrate firearm mechanisms, explain shooting techniques, or visualize any other complex process. This can be particularly useful in educational videos, where visual aids can enhance understanding and retention, or showcase historical firearms in action. Animations can bring history to life, providing a dynamic way to present historical events and artifacts. By incorporating AI-powered voiceovers and animations, you can elevate the production quality of your videos and make them more engaging for your audience. These tools not only save time and resources, but also open up new creative possibilities, allowing you to focus on crafting compelling stories and delivering your message effectively.